In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam pending transaction error. This is a common and incredibly frustrating issue where your purchase gets stuck in a loop, preventing you from buying new games or accessing content you have already paid for. Whether it's a server-side glitch or a local software conflict, I will walk you through the precise steps to clear this out and get your library moving again. Dealing with Steam errors can be a major headache, but this method is the most reliable way to resolve the stuck status without waiting days for support to reply. If this video helps you get back to your gaming session, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help us grow. Alright, let's get started with the fix. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. Once the interface has loaded, navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on your account name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Details. This will open a new page with all your private account information. Here, you want to look for the section titled Store and Purchase History and specifically click on the link that says View Purchase History. This page provides a chronological list of every transaction you have ever made on the platform. Look through the list carefully to find the specific purchase that is currently listed as pending. Once you have located that stuck item, click on it to open the transaction details. If the system allows it, you will see a button that says Cancel Transaction. Go ahead and click that to force Steam to drop the failed attempt. Now that the stall is cleared, you should attempt to retry the purchase using a valid payment method. Sometimes switching from a saved card to a PayPal account or a different credit card can bypass the initial error. If the error persists or you cannot see a cancel button, we need to perform some deeper maintenance on the Steam client itself. Go to the top left of your screen, click on the Steam menu, and then select Settings. Inside the Settings panel, navigate to the Downloads tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the button labeled Clear Download Cache. Click this and confirm the action. Steam will log you out and restart the application automatically. This process flushes out temporary data that often causes purchase communication errors. After the application restarts, log back into your account and try the transaction one more time. By following these steps, you have refreshed your account communication and cleared any local technical hurdles. If this video helped you fix the problem, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!